Pandemic times here in New Delhi, but even that hasn't stopped the Oppo F19 Pro series in becoming a runaway hit in the country. Hello everyone, my name is Aman Rashid, you're watching Mr. Phone, and today I'm out on the streets of New Delhi to find out whether the Oppo F19 Pro series is as popular as Oppo touts it to be. Now the Oppo F series has always been a fan favorite among the youngsters, and if we talk about the sale numbers, well, over 10 million Oppo F devices have been sold up until now. Speaking of sale numbers, well, the Oppo F19 Pro series have broken all the previous sales records. Anyway, before we begin, please go ahead and subscribe to the Mr. Phone YouTube channel if you haven't yet, and if you're new here, also press the bell icon so that you're notified whenever a brand new video drops. With that said, let's get started. Now, after the grand success of the Reno 5 Pro 5G in the country, the F19 Pro series have set the mid-range segment on fire. In terms of sales numbers, well, over 230 crores rupees worth of sale in the first 3 days. That's amazing. And now let's find out about the phenomenal response of the F19 Pro series from the consumers themselves. Hi, what's your name and which Oppo F19 phone are you currently using?
My name is Raj and I'm using Oppo F19.
My name is Atul and I'm using F19 Pro.
Hi, my name is Kavita and I'm currently using Oppo F19 Pro Plus 5G.
So is this your first F series purchase, and why did you buy the F19 Pro series?
This is my second phone actually. The first one I had Oppo F17, but I gave that to my brother because, you know, the AI in this thing is just out of this world.
Yes, this is my first Oppo F series purchase and a friend of mine suggested it, and I love the gorgeous design and all the functionalities of the phone.
So Rohit, you just mentioned about the features. What features do you think are the best on this phone?
I think the best feature is its camera. The camera is very nice and it is very easy to carry, as well as the sound quality is very nice.
Because it's a very good phone. We have so much features and it's very affordable for a minimum budget.
The main thing I purchased this phone for is for the battery backup and for the AMOLED display. Amazing. I mean, if I watch any movie or web series, it gives me a great experience.
Okay, so are you aware that the F19 Pro series have done amazing business? To be specific, 230 crores worth of sales in the first 3 days. Your thoughts?
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
Like, seriously, 230 crores?
Yes.
You know, I'm not surprised. I'm definitely not surprised because, you know, during this quarantine, people are staying inside. And the best thing that they want is a phone, right? To make content, to make videos, to, you know, to talk to people. And especially me, I have been talking to all my friends who have, you know, talking after such a long time. And for that, I need a phone with a good camera, and this is doing the job. So I'm not surprised at all.
Okay, one standout feature of this phone according to you, and that could be the reason for the amazing sale numbers, and would you recommend this phone as a must buy?
If I have to name one feature, I would say it is a night video recording feature, and it captures very bright and distortion-free videos in the nights.
So the thing is, I have to use the front camera, right? But when I use the back camera, it has a 48 megapixel back camera. And the AI highlight portrait feature of this phone is a must buy,
Standout feature of this phone, I like to say about, the dual view recording video.
As I told you that the features are very nice, so I will highly recommend this phone to buy everyone.
Without question, I would recommend it to everybody because 2 of my friends are buying this phone right now because I have recommended it to them.
And yeah, obviously people go out and buy this phone. It has got wonderful features and it's completely worth your money.
So there you have it, guys. This is what the millennials have to say about the latest Oppo F19 Pro series. And by the way, the F19 Pro Plus 5G has garnered higher demand among the consumers, and that too I'm talking about the non-metro markets in India. So with a stunning design, stellar videography features and a price point that you just can't ignore, I think the new F19 Pro phones are the best options for anyone who is looking to purchase a new mid-range smartphone. And that's about it for this video, guys. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, and definitely share this video with your friends and family. As always, thanks for watching till the end, and for all the latest in tech, Stay tuned to Mr. Phone. I'll catch you guys in the next one.